What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got the kayak up on top of my car right there. It's the second time this year I've loaded up the kayak. The first time, drove up to the Raritan. It was nice and greasy calm out there, and we prepped our kayaks and then launched. And as soon as we launched, northeast winds picked up 15, 18 miles an hour, and you know, we got out about 100 yards and we had to turn around and come back in. And that's the only time I've used my kayak so far this year. And I used it for about 10 minutes. That was like right in line with my typical kayak fishing experiences, which is just like heavy adversity, pain. All right, so what we're gonna do today is try to find like easier fishing, like closer to home. So what we're gonna do is go to the swamps, try to catch bowfins and snakeheads in the kayak. Let's see how it goes. All right, that's my ultralight rod. It seems to be stuck in my car door. Probably gonna need a new tip on that one. That's the first level of adversity. All right, well, the second level of adversity, it's like as soon as I throw my kayak on top of my car, things get really hard, you know? Got to the tackle shop. I don't really have any like these freshwater lures that I want. And the tackle shop is just closed until 4 for some reason. They must be out doing something. It's 3 o'clock. I'm not going to wait an hour, so Walmart it is. All right, so we are in the swamp. All right, let's go ahead and check out what we can find. All right, so this is a Hobie Revo 13, same one you see me in all the time. And this is like not a good kayak for this kind of thing. Can't really stand up in it. Doesn't really take to the swamps too kindly. I don't know. I got a Zoom fluke tied on, a white Zoom fluke, and we're just gonna start fishing here. All right, well, the first leg of our journey here, getting into the swamp, realizing I forgot my pliers. So I'm gonna go back to my car and get my pliers. We got some pliers now. That first little spot I checked out, I moved one fish. I'm not going back in there. We'll see if we can get a little closer. Oh man, there's a fish. Let's see if we can catch this one. Oh my God. Oh, it's a fin. Got him. All right, that's cool. So this is bowfin. One of the hardest fish to handle. Pissing on me. Look at the color of him too. He's got that 6 spot. He's got that. We had a good look at him. Now we're gonna just try to release him. Yeah, these fish are so hard to handle, it's crazy. So I'm pretty much just gonna leave them in the water. Okay, I got the hook. All right, so that's a sick colored up fin right there. Let's see if we get a look at him before he flops away. Nope. All right, well, we got one. You got a fish? A good, what is it, a snakehead? Ah. Where were you at?
I was like eating the fucking in the shit.
Oh yeah?
I literally turned my fucking camera off. Like, I was like, damn, it's slow. I turned my camera off, made one cast.
Damn.
Got this one.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. What?
You don't even unhook them.
Can't really help that. Where's one? Okay,
Bump board.
Damn, he's not even long at all.
No, yeah,
He's
right
just,
there.
He's just really fat.
Right there. What's he, 24, 20?
24, 23 and a half.
Yeah. That's a good one though. It's a fat one.
He's just fat.
Alright, we're coming through to a new pond. And let's see if there's anything. I was just talking to Brennan. Brennan got that nice snakehead just now. It's like 23 and a half, 24 inches. And girthy. He says snakeheads are back in these reeds. Bowfins are more out in the open water. He was here yesterday, so he's got that local intel. Just saw a snakehead, I believe. Let's see, he was right here. Ooh, I just spooked one right there. Alright, we're in the zone of the fish I just saw. Oh, eat it. Yeah. Oh! It's a big fin. Oh no, not the goose. Barely hooked. So should have brought a net. We ain't got no net. Oh, see, this is not ideal. This is really not ideal. For the second kayak trip of the year, I'm telling you, I don't want to be like negative about it, but like, it's just like so awkward. All right, so there he is. Pretty cool. That's probably not colored up at all. He's 23.5 as well. It's about to flop. Ooh, yeah. Cool fish, dude. We're gonna let him go. Thank you, Mr. Finn. All right, let's get back to it here. Maybe there's another one back here. Basically, fishing this zoom fluke like a frog almost, just kind of surface fishing it. Oh, no. There's a fin. Oh, a snakehead. It's a snakehead. Alright, first snakehead. It's a productive little spot. Alright, that one ain't too impressive. Look at him quiver. Unhooking him. Alright, we're just gonna give him a quick release here. Alright, try to avoid getting soaked and stuff. Now that is what they consider an invasive species. And they encourage you to kill them, but I released them. I don't know, it's always like big debate whether you should kill them or release them, but they've been around for 15 years and they don't seem to have a negative impact on the waterways. You know, I don't see what the big deal is. It gives us a new species of fish to target. That's what we need here in my area, like these heavily populated areas where our fisheries are all suffering. I mean, now we've got a new fish, a new game fish to target, you know, catch them on top water and stuff. All right, let's keep on casting here. On the weightless. Decent fin. It's pretty good. Ew. There's got the steelhead hook on there, so I gotta finesse him. It's a snakehead. Oh. Nice. I don't know how you're supposed to handle these things. That thing is like destroyed me. Like now I'm destroyed. Yeah, I'm all soaked and slimy. I guess lip grippers are what you need. Yeah, he's 23. I got pliers. Yo, you gotta get the pliers when I open his mouth.
That's it.
Let me know when I should like release pressure from the line. All right, cool. Damn, that works. Yeah, you need a third hand. Thank you.
That's a tiny hook.
Yeah, it's a steelhead hook, tiny hook.
That's awesome.
That's what I like. That's what works.
I like that.
All right, Mr. Snakehead. They're not like them and bowfins. You can't
like how,
handle.
Like, put them and like let them freak out, and then like grab right behind their gills. And, like...
This is like a killer hook for a nose hooked fluke. I got these up in Pulaski, I guess. Somewhere for steelhead. Oh, there's one. Ooh, nice fin. Pretty big. Probably like 5 pounds or so, I don't know. Not too big. It's a fin, yeah. He's pretty nice. Oh, all right, we got him. It's definitely solid fish. All right, let's measure him. Now, so this is the native fish thriving with the invasive fish. Yeah, we're getting like even numbers of bowfins and snakeheads. This fish is 20, just about 24, a little under 24. So we're gonna release her. Looks like she might have some eggs or something. All right, swamp fishing. All right, so we've you know, caught a few fish. Brendan got a few fish. I got a few fish. Not really sure where in the swamp we are right now, but yeah, we're making moves, trying to like, remember where I came from. If it was like, it must have been like over there. I don't know. This stuff looks pretty good. I don't get any bites in here, but I'll go a little further back actually. Oh, there goes a fish. Of course, I spook a fish. Let's see, maybe that fish will eat. Nah, I think I am short. Oh no, he's on it. He's on it. Proper twitch. With the weightless zoom fluke. Got the proper twitch. It's a snakehead. About 20 inches. And he's not hooked too bad, and he's not going crazy, so maybe we can get this. Good grip on the hook. Oh fuck. All right, well, we just got that fish. Battery died right then and there as the fish was swimming up my shorts, and then did a 180 and went through the drive well. Camera died, but yeah, I was feeling a little disoriented back here. And I was spooked. I think I spooked something. I mean, something came waking out. Casted to it, and it was a snakehead. So he took our bait. We're gonna put on. I wonder if I should put on. No. We just need to stick with the zoom fluke. Yeah, with this size like 4, size 6 hook, can definitely work this bait slower, and it kind of just hangs there. You get the hang time. Need hang time. The bigger hook, it just like falls too fast. It'll work, but it won't work like quite as well. And there are like certain applications. Open water application, I prefer at least. A nose hook. A little nose hook. Oh, we got movement. Yeah, we got a chaser. Oh, he's all over it. Oh. There's 2. That thing, like yesterday, I had one, that exact thing happen, and he spit it. I went over the spot where I hooked the fish, I saw that he spit it. So hopefully that fish spits it too. This hook is getting all twisted up. That twist should be all right. Let's cast right back into the zone. I went a little left of the zone, but it should be okay. Should see a wake here. There's a wake. That's probably a new fish. Twitch, fall. Oh, that hang time. Alright, it's a fin. This thing's gonna get us all wet again, but it's alright. Zoom fluke is out. I'm just gonna grab him. He's not too big, so this one should be pretty easy. Definitely smells like crap. This fin smells like old bunker. Like blue crab pot. Like when you pull a blue crab pot and you smell that old bunker, that's what these things smell like. Mangy looking thing. Maybe it's spawning. Alright. Yeah, cool fish. They're cool fish. Broke the hook. Alright, time to re-rig. Look, this is the one I had in mind. That hook, that's a size 6 hook. But that is a sticky hook, and that's what I'm gonna tie on. I don't know why. Tiny hook, love the tiny hook. Tiny hook and loop knot. Split ring here. Pull that loop knot tight. Another zone, another fish. Getting towards dusk here. We'll have to think about navigating our way back soon. A log. Oh, damn, I really like. I wonder if this is the first spot that I got to. It might be. I remember this log. Oh, wake. Oh, eat it. Sitting there. I just so twitched it. That's a pretty nice fish. Snakehead. Tiny hook. Snakehead on a tiny hook. I should have brought the net. Look at that grass on the line. Basically fishing scum. These fish like a foot of water, you know? That's like their home range. So when you hear like invasive fish, you know, what fish is living in a foot of water already? Like there's not much. Like these things aren't taking up residence in like the too much of like other species zones. These things prefer like a swampy. It's a solid snakehead. He's leaking. Nice. We're gonna take this zoom fluke. I'm gonna put it right back on. That zoom fluke. Just twitch. You see that wake coming? Just let it sit there. Let it hang. Looks like it's starting to drizzle a little bit. The forecast was full sunshine today. And I'm happy that it's cloudy. I hate the sunshine. Like, relatively. Obviously, the sun is like everything that like life thrives on, of course, but I don't like it when it's in my eyes and burning me. Much prefer the clouds. And we got those clouds. We got those nice clouds. This is about as good as it gets, like weather-wise. Oh, let's go for that fish. He's waking. Oh. Get out of this. There you go, something. Snakehead. Coming in backwards. Oh no. You would have splashed me if I didn't give him slack. Alright. Not too big. Not too small either. He's alright. Took it deep. That's not good. Nice. Alright, we got the hook he's gonna, there he goes. Right out the bottom. Still got our zoom. We're not cut up too bad, so we're gonna cast right back. I don't think that was the fish I just saw, but it might have been. I think it was a different fish. It's getting dark though. Alright, GoPro was not rolling. I just got 2 more snakeheads on like 2 casts. I don't know when the last time it filmed was, but it's filming now. The bite is on. The second bite was just like instant. There's another. Little tiny one. There's a tiny snakehead. A little bigger, but still pretty small. I was about to leave and then I just, you know. Alright guys, I think that's all we got for today. Fish seem to have shut off. Swan is shut off. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. Hopefully we can get more videos out this year. Gonna work on that. Yeah, that's all she wrote. Alright guys, I'll catch you later.